Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 27th of July 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 27th of July 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, India ranks at which position in recently released Global Manufacturing Risk Index 2020? Answer is third. Which state government has launched Naveen Rozgar Chhatri Yojana for scheduled caste recently? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Name the first state in India which started to use drones to inspect power lines and transmission towers. Answer is Maharashtra. Indian Railways plan to launch the first set of private trains by which year? Answer is 2023. Fifth question was, C.S. Seshadri, who passed away in July 2020, is dash. Answer is mathematician. The book Spirit of Cricket India is written by Steve Waugh. Steve Waugh is the former Australian cricketer. By which year Indian Railways plan to connect the capitals of northeastern states through rail network? Answer is 2023. ICC has postponed T20 World Cup 2020. When will be it held now? Answer is October-November 2021. Ninth question was, which state government has approved Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana? Answer is Delhi. Next question was, which state recently launched its first ever military satellite? Answer is South Korea. Which nation will be hosting the 2020 edition of the Indian Premier League, that is IPL? Answer is UAE, United Arab Emirates. And last question was, India will work together with which nation to develop 30-second COVID-19 test? Answer is Israel. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, in which of the following cities DRDO has recently established a COVID-19 testing facility to enhance the rate of testing to identify coronavirus cases? Answer is option number 2, Leh. The DRDO or Defense Research and Development Organization has established a COVID-19 testing facility in Leh. The research facility was set up at Defense Institute of High Altitude Research, that is DIHAR, and this facility will identify COVID-19 cases in the Union Territory of Ladakh. The facility is capable screening 50 samples a day, and this facility was inaugurated by the R.K. Mathur, who is the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. Answer will be option number 2. Next question, which country became the 25th country to receive observer status in the World Trade Organization, that is WTO? Answer is option number 4, Turkmenistan. Recently, World Trade Organization, that is WTO, has granted observer status to Turkmenistan. This observer status was granted during the 5th virtual session of WTO General Council, which was held from the WTO headquarters and attended by representatives of its member states. Answer will be option number 4, Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan, look into the map. This is Turkmenistan. Capital is Ashgabat. President is Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow. Currency of Turkmenistan is Turkmen New Manat. This status has been given by World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization is an intergovernmental organization that is concerned with the regulation of international trade between nations. It was formed on 1st of January 1995. Its headquarters is in Geneva, which is in Switzerland, and currently Director General of WTO is Roberto Azevedo. Next question, Taiwan First is the Mars mission of which country? Answer is option number 4, China. Taiwan First is the China's fully homegrown Mars mission, which has been recently launched by Long March 5 rocket from the Wenchang Satellite Launch Center in Hainan Island, China. Answer will be option number 4, China. China, this is China. Capital is Beijing. President is Xi Jinping, and currency of China is renminbi. Next question, who authored the book titled The Pandemic Century? Answer is option number 3, Mark Higginsbaum. Recently, The Pandemic Century, a history of global contagion from the Spanish flu to COVID-19 is a book written by the British medical historian Mark Higginsbaum. And in this book, he has discussed 10 outbreaks or 10 major diseases in the past 100 years, dating the Spanish flu in 1918 and the present day coronavirus. Answer will be option number 3. Next question, when is the National Broadcasting Day observed annually? Answer is option number 1, July 23rd. Every year, July 23rd is celebrated as National Broadcasting Day to mark the first ever radio broadcast aired in India on 23rd of July 1927 from the Bombay station of a private company, the Indian Broadcasting Company. Answer will be option number 1, July 23rd. Next question, which of the following following day is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Day? Answer is option number 4, July 26. Every year, July 26 is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas. Every year, July 26 is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas. On July 26, 1999, Indian government culminated Operation Vijay and declared victory after 3-month long battle in Kargil. The Kargil War is an armed conflict between India and Pakistan that took place along line of control. India used its air power on a large scale for the first time in Kargil War after India-Pakistan War in 1971. Kargil is located very close to Yellow Sea or line of control. Next question, which of the following institutions has developed rapid diagnosis device to detect COVID-19 infection within 1 hour? Answer is option number 4, IIT Kharagpur. Recently, the researchers from IIT Kharagpur has developed rapid diagnosis device to detect COVID-19 infection within 1 hour. This device will help to bring the cost of COVID-19 testing far down as compared to that of RT-PCR machines, that is real-time polymerase chain reaction. Answer will be option number 4, IIT Kharagpur. 4th edition of Khelo India Youth Games are scheduled to take place in which state? Answer is option number 2, Haryana. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar and the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Kiran Rijiju has announced that Haryana will host the 4th edition of Khelo India Youth Games, and the games are currently scheduled to take place after Tokyo Olympics in 2021. Answer will be option number 2, Haryana. First Khelo India Youth Games were organized in 2018 in Delhi. Second edition of Khelo India Youth Games was organized in Pune, which is in Maharashtra, in 2019. Third Khelo India Youth Games were organized in Assam, in Guwahati in 2020, and now 4th edition will be organized in Panchkula in Haryana. Answer will be option number 2, Haryana. Haryana, look into that. This is Haryana. Capital is Chandigarh. Governor is Satyadev Narayan Arya, and Chief Minister of Haryana is Manohar Lal Khattar. Next question, which bank has recently launched Insta Click Saving Account, a digital self-assisted online saving account for its customers? Answer is option number 4, Bank of Baroda. Recently, Bank of Baroda has launched Insta Click Saving Account, a digital self-assisted online saving account for all its customers. The bank's Insta Click Saving accounts will offer innovative digital offerings for customers from the comfort of their homes. The account uses a new form of digital KYC and Aadhaar-based OTP authentication of the customer. Answer will be option number 4, Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda is an Indian multinational public sector banking and financial services company. It is the 3rd largest public sector bank in India. It was formed on 20th July 1908. Its headquarters is in Baroda, Gujarat, and currently chairman is Hasmukh Adhia. Next question, which country has awarded Kala Narayan Swamy, a 59-year-old Indian origin nurse, with President's Award recently? Answer is option number 4, Singapore. Kala Narayan Swamy is a 59-year-old Indian origin nurse in Singapore, and recently she has been conferred with the Singapore's President Award for nurses for serving on the front line during the COVID-19 pandemic. Answer will be option number 4, Singapore. Singapore, this is Singapore, capital is Singapore City, President is Halimah Yacob, Prime Minister is Lee Hsien Loong, and currency of Singapore is Singapore dollar. Now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, when is IPL 2020 edition scheduled to begin? Answer is option number 1, September 19. The much awaited Indian Premier League or IPL 2020 has been rescheduled for September 19, 2020 in the UAE or United Arab Emirates. The final will be held on November 8, 2020, and this was confirmed by the IPL chairman Brijesh Patel on July 24. Answer will be option number 1, September 19th. Now today's question is, which state has announced a 2-year jail term, rupees 1 lakh fine for not wearing mask and violation of COVID-19 protocols? Options are Odisha, Jharkhand, Goa and Maharashtra. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we'll discuss this question in the next video.